I'm hitting the streets of London to ask locals what they absolutely love about Japan. This city is a melting pot of cultures, and I'm curious to hear what draws people to Japan. From bustling cities to tranquil landscapes, Japan has a charm that captivates many. It's not just about sushi and cherry blossoms, it's a mix of tech, tradition, and everyday magic. Some rave about the food, like the perfect sushi roll or a comforting bowl of ramen. Others are fascinated by Japan's cutting-edge technology and ancient temples. Londoners have a special love for Japanese cuisine, especially the experience of dining at an izakaya. And let's talk about the tech. High-speed trains and innovative gadgets are always a hit. Japanese traditions like tea ceremonies and cherry blossom festivals leave lasting impressions. One Londoner shared how living in Osaka changed her life, kindness from strangers and hidden gems everywhere. Another mentioned cultural exchange programs that connect Londoners and Japanese people, fostering friendships. Japanese street fashion also inspires many Londoners, showcasing a vibrant cultural connection. In short, Londoners have a rich appreciation for Japan's culture, innovation, and hospitality. If you've had a memorable experience in Japan or love something about it, drop a comment below. And if you're into cultural comparisons, check out my video on what Londoners love about Korea.